The family of a young boy from Carshalton say they need to find £80,000 to fund treatment before he loses his hearing altogether. Benji Wayne needs cochlear implants, but the NHS won't fund it because it says the 3-year-old doesn't qualify. Paul Murphy-Kasp has the story.
Benji runs around like any other 3-year-old, but since 6 weeks old, he's worn hearing aids because of a genetic condition called connexin 26. He's completely deaf in his right ear and the hearing in his left ear is failing. His doctors decided he needed cochlear implants and able to hear properly. But while he still has limited hearing, the NHS won't pay for them.
We're so incredibly frustrated. Some families don't decide to implant their child, and that's absolutely fine. But we feel, because of the expert advice that we've got from a brilliant implant centre, that would give him the best chance of acquiring language, which we feel he deserves.
With Benji unable to talk properly, his family have been learning sign language to try and communicate with him. The NHS told his mother that he won't be eligible for cochlear implants until he's completely deaf. And now his parents fear that by the time he gets them, the ongoing support would end up costing the taxpayer more. NHS England say they fund cochlear implants for patients who need it most, based on government funding. However, they say that doctors can apply for individual funding for those they feel have strong cases, but that they have to treat everyone fairly. And Benji's doctors have told his mum he fits that criteria.
They sent off a really strong application, which showed why he deserved it. We don't understand why there isn't a priority to have that one-off spending of this operation in order to avoid lots of future spending for Ben.
Now experts want the rules to be relaxed to allow more people to reap the benefits.
The guidelines were written nearly 10 years ago, and it's very clear from the research evidence, both from the UK and overseas, that there are children with less severe hearing losses who would benefit more from a cochlear implant than they do from their hearing aids.
The government is in the process of reviewing the guidelines around cochlear implants, but Benji's parents worry any change will come too late for him. Paul Murphy-Kasp, BBC London News.